Okay, guys, in this video, I come to show you something. I was very reluctant about using, uh, you know, the grinder, the drill, and even I bought this thing is called random orbit sander. As you can see, I I try to use this thing. I try to use a drill, and either one work as good as this grinder, a regular grinder. I ordered this 5-inch. Um, they're like what do you call this? Like like the thing that you use to wash your dishes, or something kind of material. All right. So the best result I got, it was from this thing right here, the grinder. As you're gonna see, all I did, it might be dry by now. No, this is still water in there. I spray some plain water. All right. And with my grinder, you'll see how nice and easy it is to clean it, and at the same time to reactivate the adhesive for to use. It doesn't seem that nice, but trust me, it does work. Being an old school screen printer, I was reluctant to use it because I never thought, it will be not as bad. As you can see, my apron right here, this is a vinyl apron that I got from Amazon. And same thing with these pads, you get them from Amazon, and they last pretty good time before they worn out. I have to lock it so that way it doesn't move. That's just being a little picky, but you don't need to go too nice. All these things are still good. I try, as I say earlier, I try the drill, but the speed is not strong enough to remove this thing as fast as you can see it right now. Same thing with the orbit thing. It wasn't that expensive. I know I'm gonna use it for something else, but not for this. For this thing, your best bet is a grinder. It's not the top of the line. As you can see, it's just a regular grinder. I had like, I don't know, about like 3 passes of glue before I did this. That I used with several shirts before. So now I'm about to start printing again, and I'm doing this thing so I don't have to spend any more glue. As you can see, it takes almost no time to do it. And I had some t-shirts and sweatshirts print it before this that I'm doing. And all you spend, I mean, you're still gonna use glue, don't get me wrong, but it's not as often as you're gonna need to use it. And it's only water, you know, like tap water that I put on this spray. When I start drying, it's when I get all these issues. But good enough. Again, if I weren't that picky, this thing wouldn't be happening. But this, by the way, this tape, this is the pallet protect tape that is on the pallets. And if you really want to go fancy, you can always spray a little more water. You know, if you don't want to see all that, which it doesn't matter. I mean, that's just the air coming out of this thing that I'm using to remove that, you know, that lint that just flew from using it. All right, that's about it, guys. I just wanted to show you what I've been doing lastly. Again, I've been seeing this thing over and over, and I was reluctant to use it, but it definitely works. So I highly recommend it to you. Give it a try, whichever you wanted to try it with. I tried already with a drill, the orbital thing too, and the best thing I could find was the grinder. So, guys, see you in the next one.